In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Perplexity AI API. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill out, so you can connect your applications to Perplexity's capabilities with confidence. I'll keep things simple, clear, and focused, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you avoid common hiccups. First, open your Perplexity account. If you already have one, sign in as you normally would. If you're new, go to the Perplexity website and create an account so you have a secure place to manage your developer settings. Make sure you can access the inbox associated with your account in case the platform sends you confirmation prompts. Choose a strong, unique password and consider enabling extra security features if they're available. This foundation matters because your developer access ties back to your account, and keeping it secure protects your projects down the line. Once you're signed in, look for your profile. On desktop, you'll typically find a small profile icon or your initials in the top right corner. On mobile, it may appear in a menu or navigation bar. Click it to open the account menu. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page, confirm you're logged in, or try a different browser window. The goal here is simply to reach the account controls where developer options live. Next, select the API section from your profile menu. It may be labeled API, Developer, or something similar, but it will be the place where you manage developer access and settings. Clicking this will bring you to the page specifically designed for configuring your API access. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with what information is being requested. Now, fill out all of the needed information. Required fields often include details about your project or application, a brief description of how you plan to use the API, and any relevant organization information. Provide accurate, concise descriptions. Clarity helps with smooth onboarding. Review any terms or usage guidelines presented and confirm you understand rate limits, pricing, and compliance notes if they're shown. If you see optional fields, only include what's necessary for your use case. When you're done, save or submit the form. Treat any credentials provided as sensitive, store them securely, never post them publicly, and keep them out of client-side code or shared repositories. That's it. You opened your account, clicked your profile, went to the API page, and filled out the required information. With that set up, you're ready to integrate Perplexity into your apps and workflows responsibly and efficiently.